We are Onebridge.
We are Onebridge.
We are Onebridge. We are Onebridge.
Hi, my name is Andrew Bitterman. I'm the Vice President of Analytic Solutions here at Onebridge.
Hello, my name is Louise Hughes, and I am the Vice President of Service Delivery here at Onebridge.
Hello, I'm Paul Rothwell, CEO of Onebridge.
Onebridge is a local Indiana-based data management analytics consultancy. So we are the largest employee-owned tech company in the state of Indiana. We have over 100 employees servicing our clients.
I think it's important that Onebridge is an employee-owned company because nobody cares more than an owner. Nobody cares more about our customers. Nobody cares more about the community. Nobody cares more about helping out your teammates than an owner. I also think that it helps us as an organization to think about the collective versus the individual.
I think when you're working with Onebridge, you are getting a team of consultants that are truly and genuinely excited about solving problems with data. They have a vested interest in the success of this project. They are not just team members, but they are employee owners, and they take a lot of pride in the service that we deliver to our clients.
At Onebridge, we have a proprietary framework for data management and analytics called MAP, or the Modern Analytics Platform.
MAP is a comprehensive approach to data that incorporates strategy, execution, and enablement. These elements form the roadmap for our client's journey towards decision intelligence. For strategy, we ensure that you can trust, supply, and analyze your data. For execution, we cover every facet of data infrastructure, from requirements to consumption. For enablement, we do the work to ensure that users and stakeholders are empowered to understand and utilize their data. We begin this process with Compass, our comprehensive assessment. We use this process to collect structured feedback and information from across an organization's people, processes, and technology. This produces a clear current state picture of where an organization is in regards to their data, what gaps are missing, and what areas need to be improved. We then build a plan for moving forward that incorporates solutions from our wide range of partners and services. The final output is a complete, holistic roadmap to guide an organization forward to get the outcomes and results they need from their data.
At Onebridge, we leverage this framework with our customers to help them develop data strategies that they can employ to help them with their own digital transformation efforts.
The MAP framework isn't just important for our clients to know where they're at in their journey. It's for our delivery teams to understand where the client is at as well.
When our customers engage with Onebridge, one topic we try to cover initially is to really get understanding their data strategy. Do they have a data strategy? And if not, how can we help them develop one leveraging MAP? The goal is ultimately leveraging MAP to get alignment as far as what that direction needs to be for the organization, the priorities, what's going to really be important and drive the business forward. We joke about this, but quasi-seriously, we've actually produced, and one of our employees has actually written a comic book that captures these common data challenges that we see. We talk about the Hydra and the fact that you try to solve one data problem and 4 others pop up. Well, we've seen that over and over. So the comic book is kind of an easy way to wrap your head around what we do as a company. It's helped my daughter understand what we do as a company, which has been great. But then once you understand that, MAP makes more sense, and you understand what we're really trying to get done with that framework.
The benefits of our practices are thought leadership, knowledge sharing, and collaboration across client projects. So when you work with Onebridge, you are getting the full benefit of the knowledge of one team. One thing I'm proud of here at Onebridge are the communities of practice that we continue to build. It allows our practitioners to come together around specific skills, technologies, various thought leadership topics, and even though they may be working on different projects, it's an opportunity for them to come together and really share best practices and their knowledge collectively across all of our clients.
Again, and I also think there's this, a talent gravity that occurs as you bring in the best and brightest. Again, in general, that's who the other best and brightest want to work with, because everybody wants to grow, everybody wants to develop, everybody wants to learn. And the only way to do that is to be around other people who can really help you do that.
Thank you for your interest in Onebridge.